So this is one of my favorite cabinets in the whole house. It's for baking, and I'm not a huge baker, so it gets to stay in fairly pristine condition, which I like. We used a lot of mixed material here. We used plastic storage bins, natural baskets, bamboo, metal risers, metal shelves, and some metal baskets with a hit of bamboo on the handle, so it all sort of matches together. So it's a really beautiful looking cabinet, easy to see what I have, but it gets to stay in pretty good condition because I'm not a huge baker. So when I do want to bake, whether it's for a kid's birthday or a special seasonal occasion, it is great to be able to see what I have. And these airtight canisters are fantastic. They keep my ingredients fresh, fresher than if I would have just left them in their original packaging. And I have them in 3 different sizes, so I can go a little deeper in the cabinet and still see what the ingredients I have on hand. These handle bins are fantastic. On shelves that are a little higher, because of the handle, it's very easy for me to grab it and take it down. For overflow, so for extra ingredients that I have, I like to put them in baskets up a little bit higher, and also using some of these opaque bamboo bins. These are great also with the handle, easy to grab down. I love these shelf risers. Otherwise, I would be cutting off the cabinet in half, and now I've opened up a whole nother space above it, really maximizing the space. And then for the forms, heart forms and cake forms that you don't use all the time, putting them in wire bins above are great. I can still see what they are, I can still be inspired to use them, but I'm not going to use them all the time, so putting them way up high is okay. Narrow cabinets to the right and left of the stove are perfect for spices and oils and other cooking related items that you want to have close by. So mDesign has some fantastic solutions to help you keep all of your spices organized. These expandable bamboo tiered racks are fantastic for keeping all of your spices really organized. They're stadium seating, so you can see all of your spices. You can see what you're running low on. You can see what you have. Really easy to access. I have them on 2 different shelves in the cabinet, and then I have this undershelf drawer for smaller spices that helps maximize the space. And then for some of those oils and vinegars and things that you don't use that often, I have these up in a bamboo spinner up top. I can step on a stool and easily grab them. And again, just kind of cuts down on the visual noise, lots of mixed materials, looks great. So on the other side of the oven, I love to use these bamboo spinners. They come in multiple sizes, 9-inch, 11.5-inch. These 11.5-inch fit these cabinets perfectly, and they're great for extra spices and olive oils. I'm using them on both shelves. They're low profile, so it's really easy to see what you have. And I also love using them on the countertop. For things that I use all the time, like butter, salt and pepper, olive oil, it's easy to keep them contained, looking good. So for other olive oils and cans, I like to use these narrow bins. They have a handle, so they're very easy to grab when things are a little bit higher up. And maximizing the use of a taller shelf.